Actually, I took my time to go through all the videos you guys have been tagging me since today, regarding this guy, Godwin, that came out to say that he's never a pastor. And some of you are trying to force him to accept the fact that he's a pastor. The thing is that a lot of people have been tagging me since today, since yesterday. Actually, after I made that video that I spoke with the guy and he told me some certain things, because I want to verify exactly what happened, to hear his own side of stories. A lot of people have been sending me DM, and throughout today I've been receiving a notification that people were tagging me, especially one Zaza. I don't know if it's Zaza or Binwanza. I can't remember his name right now. So I tried to go through all my tags. I took my time to watch all the videos, and the only thing I'm seeing was a video where the guy was, one video the guy was preaching. The other video was the previous video that has been flying on the internet, So I was expecting for those of you tagging me, especially Wanza and some of Umu Ikpirima Adoration Enugu, that's how much I was expecting you guys to tag me on a video where they are ordaining this guy as a pastor, where this guy knelt down. When you want to ordain a person as a pastor, we all know how it works. And after that, I was also expecting a video where you guys will say that this is where this guy is pastoring or is doing his pastoral duties. I was expecting you guys to tag me on a video and the address of this guy. You know that in a church, when you graduate as a pastor and they ordain you, they will assign a new branch to you. They will give you a ministry. I was born and raised in Onitsha. I want that to be precise. We know how all those things works. And the family I came from, I'm from a very deep Christian home. You ain't telling me anything about all those things. You guys should send me a video, or rather tag me on a video where they ordain this guy, officially ordaining him as a pastor, and his ministry or his church, the branch they assign to him, his members. Then I will take you guys serious. You can't just send me a video where somebody is preaching or giving testimony in the church, or you tag him a pastor. Pastor, most of you are using to deceive our people. Pastor, prophet, you all are using to deceive our people. Most of you all. When you can see KJ qua senator, press iron, also go pastor. When you can see KJ guru monkey suit, press iron, also go pastor. You think you can mess my reasoning with rubbish like that? Do I look like a joke to many of you tagging me on that nonsense video? So because the guy, Senator Ederayon, that made him a pastor. What you guys are using to deceive the gullible churchgoers. Where did your papa, Zaza, now shout abundant grace? Where did him officially ordain him as a pastor? And which branch did he assign him to? Where are his members when he left the branch and run away, as you are claiming? Okay, because of 1 or 2, 3 video, maybe the guy, Senator Ederayon, that made him a pastor. He won't deceive people. He won't deceive innocent Christians. Only a put on microphone here, and as a pastor, some of them are not there now. Some of them not there now. When I was still in Anambra State, on nature to be precise, acclaimed pastors na Gini kind witness or gini kind for. The next thing you turned from the nonsense video you posted and started saying that somebody gave him a minibus. He ate this person money. He do this one. He did that one. Somebody gave him a mini bus to assist him when the guy has nothing. When the guy was frustrated, I can't even remember what he said on that video. Yes, of course, the guy said it that he used to be very rich when he was attending to that your abundant the guy said it that he used to be very rich. And at some point, he don't know what happened. Upon all still the guy was frustrated. That's why he left. You think all of us are stupid on this social media? That you divert from the main topic and be saying that he eat your money, he eat your someone's money, he sleep in police station, he do this and do that. He can a man used to look well at some point or things are crashing. You know, when I see I am a useless boy, they keep na name his my papa, my church, my papa, my church. Maybe a pastor. Show me the video where your papa ordained this guy officially as a pastor, and show me the church where he assigned him, I mean the branch, and also show me the members he left to run to Zion ministry. Oh, he played trouser, Senator the Rayon, more those things. The guy told me that he is the type that love God, church. Everybody can preach. As I am now, you think I can preach? On a very good day, you think I can preach as I am now? You think I can wake up one morning if I want to and decide to be a pastor? Because you senated the Rayon. But I know that I'm nothing. Spiritually self now. Physically but I will still be deceiving people, asking pastor. Most of you only claim pastor, are frustrated and possessed in life. You see, most of all these people that you go to church, pastor will carry you or papa will carry you, and you need to be a pastor, or you have the grace to be a pastor. One senator there on Chege, KJ Potane preach, most of you are possessed and frustrated. That is the reason why all you all depend is people's offering money. Give tithe, do this one, do that one. I told you guys before you come to this Facebook to make a video and tag me, first of all, check my history. I'm not all these people that are, saying for the sake of saying, doing eye service. I've been here. I've been deep in church. You can't tell me anything. I know the truth and I know the lies. I was suspecting that the problem is coming from your church, your papa, from day one. I have been suspecting that you guys are the one that is trying to mess this guy and mess things up, because probably the guy left your Aromaro church. That was the reason why I asked him, are you having issue with your papa, the former church where you left? And the guy told me what he said. I also asked him, are you having issue with any member of the church? Now it's clear to me where all those things are coming. You guys thought he's trying to pull your own church down because it's no longer coming, or because probably you guys know that people will start saying that if this brother, this evangelist that used to attend to our church experience this kind of thing, I don't know, that means maybe the thing is not working. There is no grace in the church. Exactly what happened when the choosing own. Was he choosing? Wasn't more choosing. Yeah, he should be choosing. When that man gave testimony, the next day, they didn't even allow the testimony or whatever the man said in the ministry to reach 12 hours. The next day, they brought the man to their church. I think his church wasn't more choosing Mountain of Fire, and lay him down with the same shirt, the same attire, because you guys feel that this Zion, if we don't have this Zion, we remove food from our mouth. We think it's by shouting up and down. We think it's by going to river to waste innocent animals. If you don't have the grace, you don't have it, and there's no way you can form it. Or by a put a long story. If your church cannot change you, change your church. It's simple as that. So don't come out and tell me bullshit that because the guy was preaching, that's what makes him a pastor. Like, seriously? So because that guy he prayed senated the riot, that's what makes me a pastor. And some of you bastards, you are tagging me. So one was telling me I should stop disgracing myself or something online. Do I look like a joke to you? Common sense This will be my last video regarding this whole issue. For you, Zaza Abiwanza, Bano enter house, my friend. When people are talking, an idiot like you come out to talk and you have the effrontery to tag me. Ujana ha talking. Rubbish.